I wanted to show you just a quick and easy way to do a beautiful landscaped sort of layout in Canva to organize your desktop. So I'm going to show you here. What I've done is I've literally pulled up the desktop section on Canva. You've got to log in. It's totally free to create a profile. And then once you're in here, pretty much pull up just any kind of template that you want. There's a bunch of them that say free, like this one. If they don't say free, then you will have to pay for them. But otherwise, you can use a bunch of these. I'm using this design right here. And then what I'm doing is I'm midway through, I decided to start recording. I'm literally changing the color scheme to fit my branding. So I'll continue kind of doing this. And it's very easy. I've already created my brand colors inside here. And so there we go. I did some quick text and then pretty much, just altered my text so that it would match my branding as well. This is the text that I'm always using for my branding. And then what you're going to go ahead and do is go over to Elements, select your element, and then once the elements come up here, select Shapes. And then you're literally going to, I personally use, you can do rounded or you can do square. I'm going to do rounded for this one. Literally going to go ahead and create a section for like a to-do list or for, kind of like projects that you're working on. Now, you're going to end up putting your files on your desktop into this section here. So I'm going to make it white. That's also part of my branding. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab another two. Actually, I'll show you how to duplicate this. So I'm going to delete one of those. I'm going to take the other one. I'm going to make it the right size that I want. I want it to be a tall column. Imagine that you've got like maybe two file folders going next to each other. So I'm going to put one right here on the edge. And I'm going to turn that into a white rectangle. Then I'm going to go copy, move it over. I have a couple programs up, so it's going a little bit slower than normal. And then I'm just going to move my text a little bit. And there we go. All right, so then I'm going to add some text. And I'm going to do some subtexting, so it's a simple font. And then I'm going to literally call this like my daily projects. It's going very slow. I'm going to change this to my branding of gray. I'll move this over here. And then actually I'm going to change this to match my branding as well. Let's see what that looks like. Always believe in yourself. There we go. And then I'm going to have sort of a, let's see, another category that's, let's call this, let's say to do. To-dos. And we can also copy that text. Call this one this one in progress. As the text comes through. And we'll just move that over here. There we go. I'm going to go back and I'm just going to take out daily on this one and just make it more universal on projects. And there you go. That is your screensaver. Now you can go ahead and we'll put this, we'll say desktop organizer. Learn how to organize. Oh. .com. And then you're going to download. And then what I do is now this is going to be for your desktop, so you don't need to print it. Doesn't need to be a ping. You're not going to alter another program. So you can just do PDF standard, or you can do PDF print, but pretty much PDF standard or a JPEG, because your computer will recognize a JPEG without a problem. Go ahead and save that there. And then preparing it, going into my downloaded files. You can see it over there. Go ahead and go into the files. All right, it's all done. And then you can go ahead and find it. This is if you make it yourself. I'll also put this, in case you like this one, I'll put this on the website as something you can download for free. So you're going to go to your downloads, and then you will literally just see it right there as desktop organizer from Learn How to Organize. And then from there, you can just do Control Alt, and then you can make this. Let's see, copy. Set as desktop picture. So set as desktop picture will turn this into your main desktop layout. Okay? All right, I hope you had fun, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.